Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently but have no one to practice with? Don't worry, I had the same problem. But guess what? Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Gul, and today I'm sharing the most important topic, which is how I practice alone at home, or how I practice without any partner. So, I found some amazing ways to practice speaking alone, and today I'm sharing them with you. The first method is daily self talk. Yes, every morning I talk to myself in English. Yes, I sound a little crazy, but it works. I describe what I'm doing, how I feel, or what are the plans for the day. Try talking in English for 1 minute about your morning routine. The second method is shadowing native speakers. Yes, I listen to native speakers from YouTube videos, movies, or podcasts. Then I repeat what they say at the same time, and actually, this is called shadowing. This method is really helpful and very useful for speaking English alone at home. The next method is recording myself. Yes, my dear friends, I use my phone to record myself speaking and listen to my pronunciation. Record a 1 minute speech about your favorite movie and I try to listen it. The next method is imaginary conversation. Yes, I create imaginary conversation in my mind and ordering coffee and or asking for direction. I play both the roles. I answer and I ask. The next method is practicing with AI and applications. There are different applications like ChatGPT, Elsa Speak, and Google Assistant, which are used for English conversation and like asking Google Assistant and AI Assistant. That's what's your favorite movie, and then I uh, reply it in English. So, my dear friends, comments below. What's your which method do you want to try first? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more English learning videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.